Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can log out from your Booking.app account that you have logged into your mobile device or the application. So for that, first you open the Booking.application that you have logged in. You are at the current homepage of Booking.com application. There you need to tap on your profile at the bottom of the right side. Click on that. Once you click on profile, you need to scroll down to the very end of the page, and at the end you will see sign out. Tap on sign out. Are you sure you want to log out? Tap on proceed. And with that you will be logged out from your account on Booking.com. So this is how you can log out from your account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for your notification and updates. Thank you.